gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. In this ceremony today, we will witness the joining of Nicole and Josh in marriage. I had the honor of speaking with Mark and Lisa, Josh's parents, prior to the wedding. They told me that Josh told him he was moving to San Diego, getting stationed there with the Navy, but he left out a little detail. He told him 24 hours prior to coming home before moving to San Diego, he told him that he was bringing a girl home.
Nikki, I love that even though we are both impatient people, you are always patient with me. I love that you brought Ziggy into my life and turned me into a dog guy.
After just knowing Nicole for less than 24 hours, they knew something was different. They knew she was the one. Nicole was raised by a lesser crazy aunt, her mother Karen. Although she was not able to be with us today, I know she was looking down with a smile on her face. She is here with us in loving spirit today.
Josh, I love the side of you that I get when no one else is looking. I love your incredible dedication regardless of how you feel about the job. I love how clever you think you are, even when you aren't. I love that we can have a conversation from across the room without using a single word. I have learned so much from you, mostly about fountain pens, ink, and watches, which I actually never cared to know anything about. But all jokes aside, you have taught me so much in such a short time. I am so excited to see what the rest of our lives have in store.
Today, I'm looking way into our future, and in the most proactive move I've ever made, I make the following promises to you. I promise to love you for the rest of our lives, to always be your best friend, to travel the world and to remember to take time for just us. I promise to always be there for you when you need me most, even if what you need most is just a foot rub after a long day at work. And most importantly, I promise to be the best husband I can possibly be, because you deserve nothing less than that. I love you.
For the rest of our lives, I vow to never go to bed mad. Most likely because I'll make you argue until it's resolved, and to be grateful for each day that I get with you. No matter the distance, I promise to always be your best friend. Thank you for changing my life and challenging me to be a better person. You also challenge me to be a more patient person, but I don't think you mean to do that most of the time. I vow to spend the rest of my life giving you endless love, laughter, and happiness. I promise to love you in the good times and the bad, faithfully and forever. I vow to take life seriously when needed, to never miss an opportunity to laugh with you. I promise to always be the best version of me, because I truly believe you deserve everything I have to give. I love you deeply and with all of my heart, forever and always.
You guys are meant to be. When you two are together, looking into each other's eyes, I can see how much happier it makes each of you. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the ring.
I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Duport over to the cake table to cut their wedding cake.
Like when I close my